Shut up and sit down.
This car never fails to amaze me. It's showing 75.1 miles to the gallon, and I've just been, as you can see on the sat-nav here, to Llanwrst. That's where I've just been and come back from. And it's 19 miles each way, so that's 38 miles. And I've been driving at speed limits, 70 on the motorway, 30s, 40s and 60 mile an hour roads, not been overtaken once, and it can go out and do fuel consumption like this. It is absolutely brilliant what this car's capable of doing. What amazing little cars.